Looking to upgrade or repair your Mazda Protege's radio without the hassle? This double-DIN radio connector is designed specifically for 2001 to 2007 models, offering a smooth plug-and-play experience. It fits right into your OEM radio slot, so you don't have to worry about complicated wiring or compatibility issues. What sets this connector apart is its attention to detail. It features an ISO stacked head unit provision and a 24-pin connector that supports power and a 4-speaker setup. Plus, it's painted silver to perfectly match your car's factory finish, ensuring a clean, professional look that blends seamlessly with your dashboard. If you've ever had to deal with damaged or cut-off radio harness plugs, this product is a game-changer. Instead of replacing the entire harness, you can repair it quickly and effectively. This solution saves time and money while maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's original wiring system. Many users appreciate how ready to use this connector is. It comes fully assembled and filled, so installation is straightforward. While some wish it was easier to disassemble for wire scavenging, the overall build quality and fitment make it a reliable choice for professional installers and DIY enthusiasts alike. This connector is also part of a Professional Installer Series Turbo Kit, ideal for aftermarket radio applications. It includes options like a GM radio replacement pocket for those who want to remove the OEM radio and install a new unit in the center dash. This flexibility makes it worth a look if you're considering a radio upgrade or replacement. Switching from a 2-shaft to a DIN setup is quick and hassle-free with this connector. It streamlines the entire process, reducing installation time and minimizing the risk of errors. That means you get your upgraded sound system up and running faster, with less frustration. If you want a reliable, factory-matched radio connector for your 2001 to 2007 Mazda Protege, this product delivers what you need. It offers compatibility, durability, and a clean aesthetic, all in one package. Try it when you're ready to give your car's audio system a professional-level upgrade without the headaches. Don't settle for complicated wiring or mismatched parts. This double-DIN connector fits perfectly, plugs into your OEM radio, and supports a full 4-speaker power setup. It's a straightforward solution that makes repairing or upgrading your Mazda Protege's radio system easier and more efficient.